So you guys, we went to BW today, guys, and then we're about to buy some suitcase for the twins because they're going camp next week. So we couldn't find any proper good suitcase there. There's a suitcase, but it's a $55 one from BW, but the quality is not that good. So we went to the Strandgags next door and we found this one. The lady actually told us that this is a special, so it's a clearance section. So see guys, it's clearance. I'll show you later. I'll show you in a second. So this is from $220 down to $50. So that is very good, isn't it? And the brand is Flylite. So it's actually a good brand as well. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay. So ganito siya. It's like this. So there's a zipper up here. And the shell, it's not a suitcase really, but it's a very nice durable bag. So it's like that. So if it's filled, it's gonna be look like that. So yeah. And it's got a handle here, a big one, like that one. It's got a big zipper in the front, all from here all the way up there. And the good thing is it's got this little sturdy hard case at the back where you can put more stuff in. And the zipper is just all the way here. See? Very hard. Hard yung texture is hard. So hopefully. So yeah, this is where you can put some more stuff, and it's very deep. See? So yeah, that's it. This is very good for traveling. And it's got a side pocket here as well. And it's got key, but we will not give that keys to the kids because they will just molest that. But anyway, that's it siya guys. Oh look, very good. It's got a handle as well here, and the wheels, look at the wheels, they're very strong. And it's also got this little thingy here that you can use if you are very doesn't want to lift things, so you can use this to wheel it down. And it's got a big wheel. So we bought two, one each for the kids, and that's theirs. We're just gonna have to put their name on there. So we should have bought a tag, didn't we? But yeah, that's the back, that's the front, and I'll show you guys up close and personal. Okay. So this is it guys, look, Flylite, and the price is $222. Although it's made in China, but it's very durable. It's got a side pocket there, and I'll show you the inside of it. So this handle is very strong. This one here, and that's the inside, that's the front. So that's the front there. We'll try to open it. So that's how it looks like inside. Look, very deep, there's plenty of room. And then yeah, and I'll show you the side guys. Show you the side of it. See? So that one is the back bit where the hard case is, and this one's got a zipper as well here. So hopefully they won't get wrecked. So you can put some blankets there, especially the kids will be taking blankets and everything. So let me just open that for you. So there's so many linings in this one. So take a look. Alright. So I don't think you have to open that section, because all you can see from the back there is like the steel and the framework of it. So let me just show you. So that back there, that's how it looks like inside. So there's a lining. I think you can take this off. It's only like a very thin paper. And then that's it. Very hard case there. And that's where you do one from the back. So if you can, I think, put something there, but I think it's better not to. So yeah. So you can put pillowcase or pillows here, or the sleeping bag there, and the doona. So that's pretty much it, guys. So let's zip that back up. So we can also use this for like traveling, especially going in the future. We might go to the beach, so we can take this with us. So let's zip that back up over there. It's just a bit hard to zip the corners, so kids just have to be very careful in zipping it up, because the zipper will get molested. But overall guys, the quality is very good. It's very durable. So durable. So yeah, I'm happy with this purchase. So they got one each. So yeah, that's it. And this is how it looks like when it's standing up. See? And the size is, it's actually got 15-year warranty. The size is 70 centimeters by 35 by 32, and the weight is 2.9 kilograms, and the capacity is 78 liters. So yeah, 35 centimeters by 70 by 32. Very good. It's a wheel bag. Alright guys, that's all for our Flylite wheel bag review from Strandgags. It's not paid, guys. It's not a paid promotion. It's just a quick review. But anyway, that's it. From $220 to $50. So if you are, I don't think this is the last one in Shepperton one. So if you are looking for some specials, ask the lady in front for the desk, and let's see if they have any special on. And you can also look at online. I don't think this is online. So yeah, we got one bag each for the kids. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, thanks guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions or any ideas. So that's all for today guys. Thank you. Bye.